Pros and cons of buying or leasing an automobile for business in Canada. Business owners in Canada who are in need of a vehicle for their operations face the decision of whether to buy or lease. Both options have their advantages and disadvantages, and it is important to weigh them carefully before making a decision. This article will provide an overview of the pros and cons of buying or leasing an automobile for business in Canada. When deciding between buying or leasing, there are several financial considerations to keep in mind. These include the upfront costs, monthly payments, and end-of-term options. Business owners must also consider the tax implications of each option, as the tax benefits of buying and leasing differ. Additionally, operational aspects such as mileage restrictions, maintenance costs, and customization options should be taken into account. While leasing may offer more flexibility and lower upfront costs, buying may provide more long-term benefits such as ownership and equity. However, it is important to note that each business is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. By understanding the pros and cons of both options, business owners can make an informed decision on whether to buy or lease an automobile for their operations. Key takeaways. Business owners in Canada face the decision of whether to buy or lease a vehicle for their operations, with each option having its own advantages and disadvantages. Financial considerations such as upfront costs, monthly payments, and end-of-term options must be weighed carefully, along with tax implications and operational aspects. While leasing may offer more flexibility and lower upfront costs, buying may provide more long-term benefits such as ownership and equity. Ultimately, the decision should be made based on the unique needs of each business. We are here to help. Visit us at www.theaccountingandtax.com or call 416-283-8774 if you have any questions.